If you've ever dreamt of turning your passion into a paycheck, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the latest tips, tricks, and strategies to help you unlock YouTube's money-making potential. So, grab your notepad and get ready to transform your channel into a revenue-generating powerhouse. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Are you curious about earning money on YouTube in 2023? Well, let's dive into it. One of the first steps is joining the YouTube Partner Program. To unlock monetization for your content, you'll need to meet some key milestones: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public views on your channel. Once you hit these goals, your channel will be reviewed for admission to the Partner Program. Remember, the road to revenue begins here, so keep creating and growing your audience. Once you qualify, you can apply for monetization and start earning. Number 2. Get featured on YouTube Premium. Want to explore more ways to make money on YouTube in 2023? Beyond running ads, there's YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium offers a premium viewing experience to subscribers, allowing them to enjoy ad-free videos. What's exciting for creators is that they automatically gain an additional revenue source when YouTube Premium members watch their content. Plus, a significant portion of the premium membership fees goes to creators based on how much members engage with your videos. Premium members can also download your videos for offline viewing, and this adds to your overall watch time. So it's a win-win for creators and viewers alike. Number 3. Unlock channel memberships. Once your YouTube community surpasses the 30,000 subscriber mark, you're in for a treat. You can introduce an exciting income stream: channel memberships. Imagine fans eagerly shelling out just $4.99 a month to join an exclusive club. Membership perks: think early access to videos, members-only live chats, cool emojis, and more. Plus, members get the VIP treatment with their names in bright lights, comments, live chat, and the community tab, thanks to special members-only badges. You know how hard it can be to catch a YouTube creator's attention, right? Well, that's precisely why offering channel memberships is a game changer. It's a win-win. Your audience feels special, and you have another ace up your sleeve for earning those YouTube bucks. Pro tip: don't forget to casually mention in your videos that folks can join this exclusive club by clicking that shiny Join button on your page. Number 4. Endorse affiliate products in your videos. Partner with brands as an affiliate. As your channel grows, businesses start knocking on your digital door. They see your influence and want in on the action. You can turn this into a moneymaker by becoming an affiliate for these brands. Showcase their products in your videos and rake in the cash. But, and it's a big but, tread carefully. Your audience is savvy. They know when you're advertising. Share value. Be transparent. Here's the golden rule: only promote products you genuinely believe in, and always be transparent with your viewers about the partnership. It's not just good practice, it's YouTube's policy too. Now, go make those YouTube dollars ethically and with style. Pro tip: when it comes to promoting products on your YouTube channel to boost your earnings, remember to pick items that genuinely benefit your viewers. And don't forget to openly share that it's a partnership. This keeps you in line with YouTube's rules. Number 5. Boost your earnings with Super Chat and live streams. Super Chat is the hot new way to cash in on YouTube in 2023. This fantastic feature lets your audience buy highlighted chat messages and, in some cases, pin them at the top of your live stream's comments. So when you go live on YouTube, Super Chat can be your money-making ally. You can earn anywhere from $1 to $500 through YouTube's Super Chat. But keep in mind, YouTube takes a 30% cut. To make the most of Super Chat and learn how to make money from it, the secret is to plan and promote your live streams effectively. Share the news in your videos, on your other social media platforms, and wherever your awesome audience hangs out. Number 6. Embrace your inner YouTube star. You're in for a treat because we're about to unveil a golden opportunity. Picture this: you, as a YouTube influencer, riding the wave of the booming influencer marketing trend. The possibilities are endless and the rewards, oh so tantalizing. But here's the big question: where do you even begin? Fear not, my friend. According to the guru of YouTube marketing and influencer extraordinaire, Brendan Gahan, we've got a nifty formula for you. It's as simple as establishing a flat fee that's as sweet as your content. Number 7. Guide your audience toward your awesome offerings. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur or diving into the exciting world of YouTube money-making, there's a fantastic strategy waiting for you, showcasing your products on your channel. It's like inviting your viewers to a treasure hunt, both in your videos and descriptions. And it's a surefire way to boost your website's traffic. If you haven't already set up your online store, you're in luck. Shopify is your trusty sidekick for that task. Once your store is up and running, you can start offering products that align perfectly with your content. This could be snazzy merchandise, those awesome items you featured in your videos, or even goodies you know your audience will adore. Exploring the realm of YouTube money-making. This is your golden opportunity. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and updates. Now, go out there, create amazing content, and turn your passion into profit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.